I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics: laptop online, charged, and sharing features available. On your laptop, enable mobile hotspot or internet sharing. This creates an SSID and password. If using Ethernet, connect both machines with a crossover or standard cable through an adapter, then enable sharing on the host adapter. Once done, note the IP subnet and gateway. You'll need these if manual settings become necessary. Make sure Firewall allows sharing. That prevents connectivity blocks before you move to the next step. Now configure your desktop to use the laptop connection. Pick Wi-Fi and join the hotspot, plug Ethernet into the laptop, and switch its shared adapter on, or connect via USB tethering. On the desktop, set network interface to obtain IP automatically, which accepts the laptop's DHCP. If DHCP fails, assign a static IP in the same subnet and set the laptop as gateway. Once configured, check the desktop can ping the laptop's IP and resolve a domain. That confirms routing and DNS are functioning correctly before finalizing. Finish by testing multiple services. Browse, stream, and run a speed test to confirm throughput and latency. If you encounter issues, systematically troubleshoot. Disable Firewall temporarily, re-enable internet sharing, and verify adapter priority so the shared adapter is active. Once done, renew the desktop's DHCP lease or reboot both machines. If DNS fails, set a known public DNS such as 8 on the desktop. That often fixes name resolution, while routing remains intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.